Are there plans to take Kraken public soon?
Well, we confidentially filed.
Oh, is that news?
I believe it's news, yeah.
It's new. Okay, so that is a yes.
I believe it's news. Yeah, that was Kraken co-CEO Arjun Sethi yesterday at the Semaphore World Economy Summit here in Washington, D.C., confirming that the crypto exchange will eventually hit the public markets via parent company Payward. Payward did file an IPO confidentially, meaning the company submitted draft S-1 to the SEC for private review. What that does is it allows it to hide sensitive financial statements and plans from competitors during the review process. It basically gives companies the chance to test market demand with investors before fully committing to launch publicly. So when will that be? In his first interview since announcing that at Semaphore, Kraken co-CEO Arjun Sethi, you kind of paused there when the moderator asked you about going public. Why?
I think it was more of a sarcastic pause in that we had already filed confidentially and released that information last year. So I think it was more about, I can't believe you asked me that question, and then yes, it was news, and yes, we had announced it.
Don't you sometimes feel like telling reporters like me and like him, you idiot, didn't you know that? But it is news because a lot of people didn't realize that the confidentiality issue of it made it an opportunity for you specifically to do what? Test the markets, right?
Not necessarily. It's just more that we confidentially filed just like a company does, and you go through a process with the SEC. And then we've always preserved optionality in terms of what our company is going to be doing as a private company, and then how we think about what public companies must do in order to get there. And so we wanted to build a durable business with our parent company, Payward, and Kraken as being one of our core products.
So will the ticker be KRAK?
I think it's TBD on like what that may look like in the future, but all optionalities are open.
Which exchange?
It's like too early for us to tell around how we're going to think about that. Remember, we are an exchange globally, not just through crypto, but now we have traditional equities, traditional commodities.
Well, you got a bank
tokenized,
charter,
et cetera. This is SPDI through Wyoming, and then we have the Fed Master Account through that.
Which is the first crypto exchange to have that.
One of the first crypto companies to be able to get the Fed Master Account. That's correct.
And what does that mean for a customer of Kraken?
So we manage assets on behalf of our customers. We call it AOP, Assets on Platform. And then we have something called AOC, Assets Under Custody. For a lot of our institutional clients, they want the comfort of insurance or security or a qualified custodian. So the SPDI allows us to do that. But then at the same time, it also allows us to be able to offer more products to our institutional clients wherever they are worldwide through a Fed account, wire payments, et cetera.
We have a very motivated investor audience that gets really excited about certain IPO companies when they see potential real value here. Second quarter, second half, you tell me, when are you going public?
Well, we're not going to be able to comment on when we're going to go public.
This year?
I think it's more what you want for, there's three constituents that are really important. One are our customer bases. The other is our shareholders, and then there's our employees. And so what we're building, just as responsible as possible, is that we want a durable company. We want to make sure that we're building for the technology era that's for the future as well. We're also US first in terms of an exchange and expanding worldwide versus the other way around, which you see with sort of foreign adversarial exchanges. But more importantly, it's more about there's crypto volatility in the ecosystem, and so what we did is we acquired traditional products, traditional financial products. And then we've been using our technology to bring that all together under one collateral system. Sounds complicated, but a lot of the value propositions are that all of our customers can sort of operate and get the advantage that a Citadel or a Jane Street or all these large institutions like JP Morgan have for their wealthiest clients. We bring that to the average, everyday American.
If you look at some of the crypto exchanges out there today, they are surging. Robinhood is jumping, Coinbase. We got a whole bunch of them, Webull, eToro. After the SEC scrapped its long-standing rule that you would actually have to, it's a trading rule, and they're eliminating the $25,000 limit, the balance, and it'll allow investors to trade more freely. Do you expect to see a surge in your customer base because of that scrapping of that particular rule?
Not necessarily. I think at any given moment, people want to be able to invest into assets that are going to accrue value over time. And so if you can invest more or less, or there's going to be an IPO, SpaceX, Anthropic, OpenAI are all rumored to go public. It's what assets that you want. If you look a week ago, a lot of even U.S. investors wanted access to Hong Kong assets or mainland China assets because they're doing well. It's more about how you get access to people, everyday Americans, everyday individuals, professional traders, something that they didn't have before.
I'm just checking to see if KRAK is taken as a ticker. Just, oh, it's not taken. It's available.
I guess it's available.
Please keep us posted on when you're ready to pull the trigger. It's great to see you.
Thanks for having me.